Hello, David here with MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Today we are outside at the dealership looking at a 2026 Harris 230 Grand Mariner. We have the dark chestnut interior, we have the seagrass flooring, in-floor storage under my feet. Grand Mariner is a level up in the trim interior. You can notice the cross-stitching, the two-tone, extra storage throughout. If we come up to the helm, you can see brand new for 2026 is that extra wide Simrad screen. You can actually put 3 little screens on that if you wanted to see your depth, engine data, and also your chart. We brought this boat in with the biggest stereo system, including tower speakers. Speaking of the tower, we have a bimini top that opens and closes. This is also a power ion tower, so with the flip of a button, you can bring the whole tower down to go underneath the low ridges that we have here on the lake. So we come back, you can see the single lounger. This will pivot forward, back, all the way down. The rear seats actually individualized, come up, and will stop in any position that you put them in. Drop all the way down. We have a built-in cooler and also stereo controls down here from the water. This boat has the largest engine that you can put on a 23-foot Harris, and that's a 350 Merc with V10. Come on down to MarineMax, we'll show you the rest of the boat.